I feel that JSW summer internship program is a very structured program, and that is what its beauty. Like everything has been planned for us, yet there is scope that we come into it and tinker around a bit so that we can have our comfort levels.
This sort of an experience is a once-in-a-lifetime thing wherein you don't just have to sit at a desk and do your data mining on Google. This is a lot more exposure and you meet an amazing bunch of people.
The SIP program was thought about because I did an internship at Deutsche Bank, and while I was looking for an internship in India, I found out that there weren't any manufacturing companies in India other than a couple of them which offered an internship opportunity.
The thought was to catch them young in campuses and to ensure that we go to premier institutions, we build a brand, get in young talent and build the capability so that the organization has these young people who grow and blossom with the organization.
We took about 2 months to create this entire program. The concept which we wanted to make was that we wanted each intern to have the opportunity to actually achieve something by the end of their program.
Projects were selected and the mentors and buddies wrote down what are the project descriptions and the goals that are expected out of the interns. We sat down with each and every mentor and buddy and we took down a schedule of what are they going to do exactly.
We received over 2,000 applications for the program and requested students to apply online by uploading their resume and answering a few questions. Shortlisted students then took a psychometric, verbal, logic and numerical test. Our heads of departments went to campuses to interview students, and finally we got a bright young batch of 26 interns from elite engineering and elite arts colleges from across the country.
The JSW summer internship, you can clearly see a lot of time, effort, money, resources have been put into developing human capital, which was not the case with my previous internships because they didn't care.
Even over here, the mentors have their own tasks, but they were remaining continuously involved with our work and they were giving us continuous feedback.
We got to interact first-hand with the customers, to the production guys, to people at Vijayanagar, to people involved in the intermediate processes. So it was really a very great experience for us.
It has been a wonderful experience, in fact a refreshing experience I would say. It went off very well and we also had plenty of good time with the interns as well, mentoring them, answering their queries.
Working first hand with them, it was absolutely amazing. They are very quick, they have sort of brimmed with invigorating ideas. There were a lot of things which we would have missed out, but they brought a very fresh perspective and they kind of sort of gave it a very nice shape.
We are a global conglomerate that happens to be in India. So if you are working at JSW, it's as good as working anywhere in the world. Be it the degree of difficulty, be it the complexities that this organization is dealing with, be it the scale. The group is involved in the core sectors of the Indian economy.
There's a lot of sense of ownership over the project, which is why both me and my partner have been trying to give the best we can possibly give to the project. And I feel this is a product I have created from scratch, so the sense of belongingness is very high.
A great deal of work actually can be accomplished even with interns in a period of 8 weeks. And both the projects that I've had the opportunity to lead are typically assigned to major global consultants like McKinsey's or BCG's, but these kids have done pretty much the work that I would have expected any major global consultant to deliver.
This is the first opportunity for students to receive a handsome paycheck for the work they do.
26 of us really bonded together, like really great. We made friends out here. So sharing time with all these people, coming to know about some of the brightest minds in India, talking to them, interacting with them, getting different perspectives. I think that was the best part of the internship.
The intern who comes in must be inquisitive and must take an initiative to learn as much as possible, because the more the intern learns, the more he will be able to contribute.
The feedback that we've got from all the departments and all the buddies and the mentors who we've assigned to these interns has been great. Everyone has been very receptive. Everyone said a lot of great things about these interns.
Going forward, the whole idea is to make this program more robust, more comprehensive, get more people to come and join us, not only from India but are coming in from abroad also, because India is a very strong emerging economy.
We are growing very fast, exponential growth, and we need young minds to think out of box, think something different, and bring about changes which are required for business.
I think it's a great way to hire, and it's a great way to nurture future leaders in the organization. So I think this program is going to continue year on year, hopefully for perpetuity.